Hi Tapas, I'm going to test the new version. First of all, let's go to the settings page here and just check. This is version 6.81 and it's my phone number and this is the SIM card that is in this phone. So first of all, if I uncheck this, I get this dialog which says that Textowl is not my standard chat app. Would you like to set it as a standard chat app? But right now I'm unchecking this one. So the dialog here, the question here is wrong. It's the reverse question we should ask. If Textowl is not your chat app, then you won't get the full out of Textowl. But if I push the yes button here, it's actually taking me to the right position and I can set another app and the checkbox disappears. So the functionality is okay. This is this is the dialog from the Samsung chat app. So this is okay. So that's a new dialog here we need. But let's go back here. I got a message here, and now I'm gonna send a new message and. I'm just going to send a message for you to this phone and let's see what happens. Should be delivered instantly. It's delivered there. Everything is good. But what I noticed is that if I'm checking, and right now I'm checking the inbox of my Textowl, and I'm getting the message. Very good. I activate the thread, it looks good, everything is good. I'll try to send with a numerical sender ID. Just a minute. Like this. Like this, and I get a new message. Hi again. This is from a numerical send ID matched to my credentials, and it's posted to the thread. It's synchronized to the server. So now I'm deactivating the Textowl application. Actually, if I do like this, I could. Just close all these different apps. So yeah, and I'm trying to send again. This time it's with closed app, and let's see what happens. Here I got the message with the closed app, and I'm checking my inbox. And the message is not delivered to the inbox. Maybe I'm just a little bit too fast. The message is not delivered to the inbox now. So the question is, why is it not delivered to the inbox? We go here and we say, I need to see my files. I need to see the log file. And let's have a look. Should be a quite small log file, I think. I deleted it anyway. Let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got here. It's difficult to see. Ready to execute. Add message to inbox. User credentials. Exception message. To phone number with closed app. So it's actually executing it, but result code 1. There's no exception, but this is not the reply. So it's called, but now I got it. Now it's actually in the. Let's try again. It worked, but it took some time. Let's try again. I sent another message. This is yeah, another test with closed app. Okay, I don't want to go to battery safe. I don't want to go to battery safe. Do. Okay, it took some time. I'm checking again my inbox, and it's not delivered to the inbox. Maybe I'm just a little bit. It's not delivered to the inbox now. So something is happening. Maybe is it a timer or something like that? Let's try again. Now it's delivered. Okay, so maybe it's some kind of timer you have on the service. I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to start the app again, and this is very good. So now the tricky part comes. Okay, now sorry, now I'm disabling this and just take a regular messages here, and now let's see what happens when I test with not default app. So now Textowl is not the default app, and I get the message here, delivered by the standard app in the phone. So I would expect this one to be updated. So if I push refresh, it's actually reading the message, but the message list is not updated as it is if it's the default app. Now I don't know if there's a reason for this. Do you have a reason to not update the thread list if the app is not the default app? Because I imagine you are hooked up to the message list anyway, because you're reading this message. Now the big question is, what happens to the inbox now? The inbox is actually updated as it should be. I mean, it's you are posting to the web service, which is very good. So now, this is the very tricky part. Now we're testing with closed and not default app of Textowl. I don't know how long I'm gonna wait for this, because if it's the service that is actually, so now I got the message. So if it's the service that is posting the message to the server, and that is in a scheduled manner and not in an event handled manner, then something probably will not happen right now. Let's see what happens. Oh, it's synchronized. That is so good. So this is actually, we are very, very close to a very good service.